Guys, welcome again to the Brevet series. Today we'll continue talking about factorization. So summary of the previous video. Remember, if we want to factorize a polynomial, the first thing to check if we can remove a common factor. So if this is possible, this will be great. If we have a common factor, then this will be great. If not, then if we have something like x squared plus bx plus c, and the coefficient of x squared is 1, then we can factorize it into x plus m multiplied by x plus n, where I want to get these two numbers, m and n. The multiplication of m and n is equal to c, and this is the c here, and the summation of m and n is equal to b. Now, today we will talk what if a, the coefficient of x squared, is different from 1. Actually, we have two methods in order to solve such example. Let's check and see. The first thing to do is to list all the possible ways. So the first thing to do is to list all the possible ways to get the coefficient of x squared, which we call a, by multiplying two numbers. Then you list all the possible ways to get the constant term, in this case the c, by multiplying two numbers. Try all possible combination of these to see which one gives the correct middle term. Don't forget that the number itself times 1 is a possibility, and if the number a or c is negative, remember, try to plus and sign both ways. Actually, I didn't get it. So let's take an example and see. So example, and we have 2x squared, for example, plus x minus 3. So let's begin. How to factorize this one? So the first thing here is list all possible ways to get the coefficient of x squared. So I have 2x squared. What are all the possible ways? Actually, we have only one choice. The choice is 2x multiplied by x. This is the only choice that we have. Now, what about list all possible ways to get the constant term? In this case, is minus 3. Actually, I can get minus 3 by multiplying. I can get minus 3 by multiplying 1 multiplied by minus 3. So 1 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 3. And also the second thing is, if I multiply minus 1 by 3, I will get also minus 3. So I have two possibilities here, while here I have one possibility. So now I have to try all possible combination. What does this mean? Okay, the first combination is 2x plus 1 multiplied by, so I have tried from here 2x, and from here plus 1. The thing that remains is x and minus 3. So multiplied by x minus 3. You get it, guys? So let's try now 2x minus 3. I have tried 2x plus 1. Let's try now 2x minus 3 and multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, what else? You tell me. 2x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. What else? There is one combination left. We didn't try. Okay, remember x minus 3, this one here. So I can now x plus 3. So the fourth one is x plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Okay, this is called what? Guess and check. So I'm guessing and then checking. You can see I get 4 answers, but there is only one answer, which is the correct one. Okay, now I multiply these two things in order to get the middle one, and I can see that the third one, this one, is the correct answer. Okay, this is called what? Check, a guess and a check. Okay, what about the second method? The second method, in the second method, I have to do it using a systematic way. Let's see it. So in the second method, we have to, it's called factoring and grouping, and we will do the following. Okay, first First, we will find the product of A times C, find the two factors of AC that add to B, split the middle term into two terms using the number found in step B, whatever, group the four pairs, factor out. I didn't get it. Let's take an example, okay? I love examples. So 5x squared, this is an example, plus 11x plus 2. So step 1, find the product of A times C. And remember, A here is 5 and C is, let's be plus 2. Okay, let's take plus 2 first. So the product of these two terms is 5 times 2. It's equal to 10. This is the step 1. Now, find two factors of AC that add to B. So think of two factors of 10. So now think of two factors of 10 that add to B. B is equal to 11. So what are the two factors? It's very easy for us now. The first factor is 1 and the second factor is 10 itself. So when I add 1 to 10, it's gonna give me 11, which is equal to B. Okay? Now write the 11x as the sum of 1x plus 10x. So I will have something like this. 5x squared plus 1x plus 10x plus 2. I didn't change anything, okay? Now group the two terms. Let's see grouping now. These two terms together and these two terms together. So I will have 5x squared plus x plus 10x plus 2. Okay, now let's remove the common factors from each group. What is the common factor here? It's x. So x multiplied by 5x plus 1. Okay, plus. What's the common factor here? Yeah, you guess it. It's 2. Multiplied by x, 5x plus 1. Now look at this. It's 5x plus 1 and 5x plus 1. So let's take it common factor. 5x plus 1 multiplied by what? By x from here plus 2. So I could factorize 5x squared plus 11x plus 2 into 5x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, guys? So let's take another example, okay? Bear me with another example. Let's take another example. And this example is 4x squared. So another example, 4x squared plus 7x minus 15. Again, what's the procedure? Remember, the first thing is find the product of A, find the product of A and C. What's the product of A and C? Yeah, it's 4 multiplied by minus 15. It's minus 60. This is the first step. The second step is think of two factors of 60 that add up to 7. Okay, two factors of 60, this is 60. Two factors of 60, what does it mean? This means there's a number that divides 60. Actually, and remember, it's positive and negative. And here, with respect to us, the two numbers is going to be minus 5 and 12. Okay, if I multiply, if these two factors, these two numbers are factors of 60, and also they sum into B, which is 7. If I add minus 5 plus 12 is equal to, so let's make this plus, it's equal to 7. The third step is to rewrite this one, 4x squared minus 5x plus 12x minus 15. The third step is to group these two together and these two together, okay? So, and take a common factor, it's x into 4x minus 5, and here I will have, let's take a common factor, which is 3 into 4x minus 5. Now I will take this one and this one as a common factor. I will end up is 4x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.